if you're looking for one thing that you can start doing immediately that will make your meetings more powerful, keep watching this video. We're going to look at how changing your mindset will result in more efficient and more effective formal meetings. All right, let's get into it. All right, folks, this is a big one. With one small mindset change, you can change the effectiveness of your meetings. And the change is this: start taking a motion-centric approach to all aspects of your formal meetings. Formal meetings are situations where a group of people are there to make decisions on questions that will turn into action. Formal meetings are not venues for having wide-ranging conversations and brainstorming. There's a time and a place for everything, and there are certainly times and places where brainstorming and blue sky discussions are great and productive, especially if they're well facilitated. But in your formal meetings, what you're trying to do is have questions debated and then decided on so that the organization can take clear action and move business forward. So, how to do that? Start thinking about motions first. For every question, there's a motion. And once you have a main motion, a new proposal to take an action or to take a position, anytime you want to do something to that main motion, there's a motion for that you can apply to the main motion. So for example, if the idea is a good idea, but it could be better with one small change, motion to amend is in order. What if you need a little bit more time to consider your options, or you know that certain information is coming in the future that would be helpful? Well, a motion to postpone to a certain time, or a motion to lay on the table if something urgent has come up and you have to set aside that motion. For everything, there's a motion. So by making this one small change to your mindset and putting motions at the center of your meetings, and motions first, you can improve the effectiveness and efficiency of your formal meetings, and you can get focused in on the conversations and the discussions that matter and that will lead to decisions and to actions. So make that one small change and put motions first. Meeting adjourned for this episode of Order of Business. If you found this interesting or helpful, please hit the like button, and remember to drop any questions that you might have down in the comment section. If you're looking for deeper dives into specific motions or stories on the historic development of parliamentary procedure, why not check out a video in the Parliamentary Inquiry series? For longer conversations around questions related to meetings and meeting rules, check out the Point of Order series. And for insights into how to make your meetings more effective, go to the series Monthly Grind. For now, why not check out one of these two videos here or here, and I will see you next time.